Okay, today we are taking a trip to our neighbors in Anambra State to bring you some exciting updates about a groundbreaking project, the Solution Innovative District, also known as Anambra's very own Silicon Valley. Yes, you heard that right. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening to all of you out there. Depending on wherever you're watching this video from, it's your favorite ghost host, Faith Kalu. And today, Governor Soludo is making tech history without borrowing a single kobo. This project you're seeing right here is single-handedly coming out so strong and beautiful without borrowing a single kobo. So says the governor of Anambra State. So here's the gist. The Solution Innovation District is the first state government owned tech and innovation hub district in the whole of Southeast. Yes, you heard me very correctly. Work is already progressing rapidly at its permanent site, as you can see, and the highlight of the moment is the construction of the innovation block. Now, let's talk about this innovation block. This isn't just any building, it's a state of the art tech hub with 3,842 square meters of floor area. It's loaded with high tech facilities like enterprise data centers, artificial intelligence labs, mechatronics, robotics, and even virtual reality laboratories. Sounds like something straight out of a science fiction movie, right? But that's not all. Governor Soludo wants to create a space where techies and innovators can work, relax, and thrive. So the innovation block will also feature gyms, co-working spaces, creativity halls, gaming rooms, restaurants, libraries, conference rooms, and even napping areas. Yes, napping rooms would definitely be part of this project. Imagine coding all day, then taking a quick nap before diving back into work. It sounds very interesting and fun. It's giving Google's Silicon Valley vibes, but right here in Oka. The district itself will have everything you can think of: modern sewage treatment systems, green spaces, water treatment facilities, and other features to make it a dream place to work. The idea is to make it a paradise for tech talent in Anambra State. So the question is, are you a tech talent? If you are, just get ready and anticipate this massive thing coming to you in Anambra State. Governor Soludo's vision is crystal clear: to attract the best minds, retain them, and make Anambra State the tech capital of Africa. This is coming out so interesting, and I am absolutely loving every process. Now, let me blow your mind a bit more. Anambra isn't just talking the talk, they've been walking the walk ever since. At the temporary site of the Solution Innovation District, over 20,000 youths have already been trained in digital skills like coding and software development. And when this permanent site is completed in 2 years, the state will officially become a major tech hub, not just in Nigeria but in Africa. Governor Soludo is not stopping there. He's been making big moves, meeting with the US Consul General, top tech executives, and global investors to attract tech funds and partnerships to Anambra State. The vision is to put Oka in the same league as Lagos, Nairobi, and Cape Town, cities that are dominating Africa's tech industry. Oh my goodness. This innovation district is more than just buildings. It's about creating an ecosystem. There will be incubators and accelerators for startups, spaces for networking, and opportunities for young techies to commercialize their ideas. The goal is simple: harness the talent of Nigeria's young population, grow Anambra's GDP, and make the state a destination for innovation and creativity. So, my good people, the future is definitely bright. We all are seeing it. It is glaring, not just for Anambra, but for the entire Southeast. This is something we should all celebrate and support, because when one state rises, the region shines, right? What do you think about this ambitious project? Could everyone take a cue from Anambra in boosting tech innovation? Let's keep the conversation going in the comments